Now I know this isn't what I typically make my videos about, but I've been spending the past like day and a half working on this little CNC machine device thing, and I just wanted to show it off. So yeah, the intention is to build a 3D printer, and I did, this is two laptop CD drives. One is turned upside down, and this is one on the bottom. So they have the stepper motors right here, which I'm controlling with this Arduino. I also had to get these stepper motor controllers. There we go. And that one over there. Yeah, I just want to show off my soldering job too, because it was a lot of soldering. Because I don't have breadboards here. I left them at the house that we're working on, so that's great. But I really wanted to work on this here. So yeah, there's my Arduino. It's the Arduino Uno. I'm using pieces from this electronics kit and this erector set. I was trying to make this go back and forth like that, but this ended up being just more efficient anyway. And I got the Arduino Uno from this kit that I got for my birthday. So I'm just going to show it off real quick. Here I have the gerbil controller, and I've got it working on, let's see, I think it's the X and the Y axis right now. So here we go. Make it go backwards, and forwards, and then left, as long as it doesn't get stuck on the, yeah. Let's go left one more time. There we go. And then right. Yeah, and there we are. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.